It's all him.
Like, you can have it when you get the ribbon.
Oh, there's another burp. We just...
Oh. Well,
Okay, so the puke should come on that.
Yeah, but I don't see any evidence.
There you go. Give it a tear. You can do it. I will be totally uninterfering. No.
Yeah, you better interfere. I need some help. Oh, there you go. Wow.
Get it.
It's like, it's mine. Give it to me.
Pull. Tear.
The blanket, get in the way.
Yeah, get it. You got it. You gotta work for this toy. Dad's in control. Yeah.
He's like, hey. Yeah, Daddy wrapped this one. Can you tell?
Yeah.
What do we got?
Daddy bought you a truck.
Wow,
Oh,
dude!
let's see it.
It's a truck!
It's a
All
dump
right.
truck.
Wow!
And it makes noise as well. Imagine
of course.
See? No, you're done tearing. It's okay. You can stop tearing now.
You got your first truck. That is so cool.
That'd be
That's
funny.
a daddy and son
It'd be
moment.
funny if he grows
Get me out
up
the way,
and
buddy.
gets a job as a snowplow.
Yeah.